Good morning to all. Today we are going to do a clamping circuit experiment. Okay, fine. What is this clamping circuit? Clamping circuits are the circuits which changes the DC level of the signal to the desired level without changing the shape of the signal. That is, the input signal which you are going to give will get as it is in our output signal without changing the waveforms, shape of the waveforms, where there will be no distortion in the waveform. Okay. If clamping circuit changes the DC level of the signal towards positive side, then it is called positive clamping circuits. If the clamping circuit changes the DC level of the signal towards negative side, then it is called negative clamping circuits. In detail, to maintain this waveform, the time period must be maintained by keeping the value of the tau to be greater than the half of the time period. Your time period should be greater than the half of the time period, that is tau, where the tau is given as tau is equal to R into C, where R is the resistance of the resistor and C is the capacitance of the capacitor. Here the discharging time of the capacitor should be slow. The time constant here charge and discharge of the capacitor determines the output of the clamper circuit. So in a clamper circuit, a vertical shift of upward or downward takes place in the output waveform with respect to input signal. The load resistor, here we are considering the load resistor. The load resistor and the capacitor affect the waveform. So the discharging time of the capacitor should be large enough. To not to change the waveform, we are going to give the discharging time of the capacitor will be high. It should be large enough, the waveform should not change the waveform shape, and any distortion is not applied. Hence the load resistor and the capacitor going to affect the waveform. Hence the capacitor value must be high. The discharge of the capacitor value must be high. The DC components present in the input is rejected when the capacitor coupled. The network is used as this network is used as a capacitor blocks in DC. Hence, when DC needs to be restored, clamping circuits are used. Now let us start with our positive clamper circuit. A clamping circuit which restores the DC value to the positive clamper circuit. When a negative peak of the signal is raised above to the zero level, then the signal is said to be positively clamped. Students, please see a circuit and analyze what I am saying. When the input is given to this signal, the capacitor is not yet charged and the diode is reverse biased. The output is not considered at this point of the time. So during the negative half cycle, at the peak value, the capacitor gets charged with negative on one plate and a positive on the other. That is, during the negative half cycle, the peak value of the capacitor will get charged with the negative in one side and then the positive on the other side. The capacitor is now charged to this peak value Vm. If the diode is forward biased and conducts heavily,